We had received information regarding one rave party which was going to be conducted somewhere in Anjuna. Immediately we put together 3 teams of crime branch which raided the place, and there we found narcotic drugs which were worth around 9 lakh rupees. 23 other people were participating in the party, which included 3 foreigners. We have placed all of them under arrest and booked cases of violating lockdown provisions and also for narcotic substances. There were 3 foreigner ladies who were found at the party. All 3 of them were found in the possession of narcotic drugs. They have been arrested. So according to our information, it was a limited invitation party given to, I think, 25-30 people who had all come there. And drugs, we have made a list of the drugs. We are in the process of conclusively identifying them, but so far suspected drugs are charas. We have found MDMA, we have found ecstasy tablets, and we have found cocaine. All of that put together comes to around 9 lakh rupees. जेल का रहने दो आप, मैं ये सो राइट नाउ इट इज द फोकस एंड प्रायोरिटी ऑफ गोवा पुलिस टू ensure public health and public safety. This raid was a part of that drive, and while our staff also goes for these raids, we ensure full safety for our staff. They are all taking proper precautions, and I think I really have to admire the courage of our police officers who go there despite these difficult times.